here. I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my April update to the whole collection Project Pan. So if you want to see all the progress we made on the 10 items I brought in the intro last month, then let's go ahead and get right on into it. I'm using a roulette wheel to choose. It was 10 products for the intro, but now it's going to be rolling style from here on out. I have a 3 to 5 use goal depending on the product. It was a 3 use goal for pretty much everything. And I'm just using this to rotate through my collection. Let me grab all my items because I didn't get anything else. Let me go grab those and then we'll get into it. Alrighty, I met my goal on 7. Yes, 7 out of the 10 items. So I had a very good month. So we will be rolling in 7 new things, which is super, super, super exciting. I don't think we're going to have that good of a month every time, but I'm excited. 2 out of the 7 things I hit goal on are declutters, but I'm glad I used them and found out that I didn't like them. So we're gonna just get started. So the first thing I rolled in was my Nude Sticks Magic Aura highlighter. This is from the Nude Sticks Stacks collection, which I love this little mirror. So love that. But this is the Magic Aura highlighter. I used it twice, and on the 18th of March, I decided to declutter it. I just don't like it. It doesn't give much pigment at all, and it doesn't really show up. Oh, there we go. It showed up then. It just doesn't show up much on the skin, and it's not my cup of tea. So I decided after my second use that I'm actually going to declutter this. This is just not my kind of highlighter. I decluttered the blush that came with it long ago in my end of year declutter last year because I just didn't like the blush formula. But I ended up keeping the highlighter because I was like, that's a pretty highlighter. And this highlighter just isn't for me. So I am decluttering that guy. But I did use it twice. So I am happy about that. But it's not my speed. Then we had the KVD Good Apple Serum Foundation. I have the shade Light 12. I had a 5 use goal on this guy. This was the only thing I had in for a 5 use goal. And I brought this in for a 5 use goal because I knew I loved it. So this is my second bottle of this. So I figured I could get 5 uses very easily. And I got my 5th use on the 16th of March. It's a beautiful serum, thin, lightweight foundation. It wears gracefully, it fades nicely. It's a good shade match. It's like a hair on the dark side. Like, I think I could go light 10 and that would be my perfect shade match, but light 12 works. I just gotta bring it down my neck a little bit more than other foundations, but it works and it does its job and I think it's beautiful and I got my 5 uses. So that is a rollout. Then we're going to talk about these 2 products, even though one rolled in the 3rd and the 10th item. But they're both from the same palette. It's my Florasis Eastern Beast Sculpting Palette in the shade 01. I have rolled in the bronzer, which is in Black Tortoise, and the highlighter, which is in Azure Dragon. And I got my 3 uses on both of those. I will say I love the highlighter. I think the highlighter is gorgeous. It's twinkly, it's beautiful, stunning. The bronzer, I have to build it. It is on the lighter side, and so I do really have to build it up. And when you build it, it can get a little muddy. So it's not my favorite bronzer, but it's not bad. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. So the highlighter and the bronzer are rolling out. Then we have something I did not touch at all, my big fail, because this is the only, well, no, I have one other item I didn't touch. So this is one of my 2 big fails. This is the Bare Minerals Loose Pigment in Bahamas. Didn't use it, didn't touch it. It didn't happen, so I'm sorry. I don't have anything else to say about that. We have the ColourPop Lav Dreams Highlight. This is one of their big Super Shock highlighters, which I love. I love these big clamshell ones. I think they're gorgeous. I used this once, and I gotta say, I wish it was more purple. It comes out very silver on the face, And I don't know. I think I'm gonna use it 3 times, but this might not stay in my collection. I don't know if I love this color. And it doesn't close all the way, so it's gonna dry out sooner eventually. And I don't know if this is the shade for me. I don't know. But I need to use it more to determine that. I've only used it once. But I have this purple highlighter that I'm working on in a different project, and I can clearly say that I like this one more. So I don't think I need 2 cream/liquid purple highlighters. That's why I'm thinking that might not stick around. But for now, it's undecided. I like it. It's staying. Then we have another rollout. This is in my waterline today, actually. But this is the NYX Epic Inky Stick in Ember Energy. It's one of these. It's a clicky stick. I really do like these. I think they hug the waterline so well. They're super pigmented. They're beautiful. I have 3 of them. I got them all in PR from Influencer, and they're lovely. I have a metallic one, and this is the first metallic formula that does not bother my eyes. So I really do like these inky sticks. I went and looked, at least at my local Walmart, and I don't like any of the other shades because I wanted to pick up more of them. And I spit. I love that. I wanted to pick up more of them, but I just don't like any of the other shades. But I got my 3rd use on the 20th of March. And so that is a rollout and a gold met. And then not our last. We have our last declutter, my only other declutter for the video. This is from P. Louise, and this is the shiny lip liner because I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, because it's not written on here. But this is the shiny one. And this one, are you really not gonna do it? It falls out, and it was falling out as I was trying to apply it to my lips. It's a lip liner. I don't know why I did my eyes. It was falling out as I was trying to apply it. And it's a shiny, here, let me give you a swatch. It is a shiny lip liner, and I do not like that. I didn't think that I would, but I tried it. I used it one time, and this is not for me. So I am decluttering that. That can go to somebody else who will get some use on it. But having a shiny lip liner, and I did not get out a makeup wipe. But having a shiny lip liner is just not my speed at all. Well, let me get that off so we have room for the new swatches. Now our last rollout and our last goal met. This is from Uoma Beauty, and this is the lipstick in the shade Kathleen. It's on my lips today as well, actually. And I got my 3rd use on the 19th of March. Gorgeous. This is a beautiful formula, beautiful color. It's a slightly peachy, as you can see on the lips, it's like slightly peachy, but it's beautiful. It's a weighted bullet. I really like it. Stunning. Stunningly beautiful and gorgeous. So that is our last rollout. And then my other fail for the month is this Ioni shadow stick in Dolce. It is a shimmery brown. These really did the same purpose, and so I got my uses on the NYX stick instead of this. So hopefully this can be a rollout for May. That's what I'm hoping. Because I did just use one of these Ioni sticks for the first time today, and they are really creamy. They blend really nicely. I just hope I can apply it to the waterline, because I don't see myself using this color actually on the eyes. I just don't. But maybe I will. We'll see. But I still have 3 uses on this guy. So let's turn the page, and we are rolling in 7 new products, which is bonkers. I can't believe I had 7 things roll out. I mean, I know I only am doing 3 uses on them, but like I have other projects with other items in my drawer. So I did not expect to have this good of a first update. But let's see, what is our first item we're rolling in? The P. Louise lip liner in dark brown. Okay. P. Louise lip liner, dark brown, which I'll have to look at them because one is just slightly lighter of a brown than the other. Jeffree Star highlighter in Igloo Gold. That's for my peppermint palette. Jeffree Star highlight. Igloo Gold, which I think is my favorite shade in that palette, but I could be wrong. Beauty Creations lipstick in strings attached. Ooh, I haven't used that yet. Beauty Creations lipstick, strings attached. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Where am I going? That is already in a project. Huh? Natasha Denona taupe eyeliner. Okay, that's fine. I can work on that. Natasha Denona eyeliner in taupe. Okay, that's brand new to me. My Charlotte Tilbury lip tint in 90s Kiss. I just got that from Influencer. Charlotte Tilbury lip. It's a blush lip tint in 90s Kiss. We got 2 more products. That's in another project. Unearthly Romantic Blush. Okay, that is from my blush palette I have from them. Unearthly Blush in Romantic. I don't know what shade that is, but that's exciting. And our last item that's rolling in is Moira Blush. That's in another project. I didn't want to take them out of the wheel because once they're out of that project, they can roll in here. Defiance Blush and Afterglow. Okay. Defiance Blush Afterglow. So let me go pick out all these products and I'll be right back so we can give them a good swatchy swatch. All right, I have everything out. Everything is going to be a 3-use goal for everything we're rolling in. And let's get to swatching. So the P. Louise lip liner in dark brown looks like this, and this is the shade here. It's honestly going to compete with the lip liner that, and I dropped the lid. It's going to compete with the current lip liner that I have, but so it might be a minute before I get uses on this because I think I only have 1 or 2 more uses on my ColourPop lip liner I'm working on, which is the dark brown that I'm currently wearing. But as long as this doesn't fall out on me, this feels like a lip liner I'm going to greatly enjoy. Let's see, we have the Jeffree Star highlighter in Igloo Gold, so that does come from my Peppermint Frost palette. And Igloo Gold is my favorite shade. I thought this one would be, but I actually love this shade. It is this center shade here, and it looks like that. It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. I love this palette. I'm excited to get some more use on it. And for my palettes like this, I have each shade individually in my spreadsheet, but for certain duos, like my Beauty Blender Stack Duo, I just have that in as the duo and I'll use both because I use them together. So it just depends. The Beauty Creations lipstick in strings attached looks like this. It's another peachy nude. It's got a little heart embossed. Ooh, definitely more peach. I swatched that so crooked, not even funny, but beautiful, excited. Then we have the Natasha Denona eyeliner in taupe, which I love. This is what it looks like. It is a dark taupe. So let me put it, it's right here below the lip liner. So it's just more cool toned, like you can see the gray in it, but it is a beautiful eyeliner and I will definitely get my 3 uses on that easy, no problem. Then we had the Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the blushing lip tint and it's in the shade 90s Kiss, which looks like this. Like I said, I got this from Influencer. So it's just a balm. It doesn't have a lot of pigment. It smells like vanilla. It smells so good. The packaging is stunning. I will get my 3 uses on that, no problem. I am excited. Then we have from my Surrender palette from Unearthly, one of the blushes. Which one? Haha, Romantic is this shade right here in the center. I love these blushes because they're so glowy. They are just beautiful. They make beautiful blush toppers to other things. And I'm working on my Natasha Denona Bloom palette right now, and that's gonna make a gorgeous blush to go with that palette. So I'm very excited. And then we have my Defiance Beauty blush. This is a cream blush in the shade Afterglow, which looks like this. It's a mauve. And that is beautiful. I just got this in Ipsy Extra last month, recently, and I haven't used it yet, so I'm excited that that's rolling in as well. Like I said, 3 uses on everything that is rolling in. Oh god, the liners. The liners don't want to come off. But 3 uses on everything rolling in, still 3 uses on the couple items that I have rolling over. I should make a rule that if I don't hit my goal on an item by a certain amount of months, that it gets decluttered automatically. Because, like, if I'm not using a product, then it should go. But I haven't decided that yet, so we shall see. But that is going to do it for my April update for the whole collection Project Pan. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.